So like that. So after coming to this stage, we want to create a webmail. Then the next thing, go to create. Then after clicking on the create, this is where you are going to enter the name of the Gmail of the email you want to create. If it is admin@empowerteam.tk, if it is post@empowerteam.tk, anything you want to use for the email. No, this email is just like a department, so that by the time people will be sending message, that department will know that they were the one calling, they were the one that the people need their attention. So under this username, enter only the name you want to give the email. If it is support@empowerteam.tk, just write the support. In front of where the username is, you will see @empowerteam.tk. So the server already knew that, your cPanel already knew that you are working under the empowerteam.tk domain. So you don't need to be typing @empowerteam.tk domain again. All you just have to do is just write the support. Like you see, when I put the @empowerteam.tk, it's showing error. The username can only contain letters, numbers, periods, / hyphen and underscore. Do not include the character or the domain name. So all these things, you don't need to include it. So after that, you need to set a password for your email. This password, by the time you are logging into your email using the app we used to create this email, by the time you are logging into it, you are going to make use of this password. If you don't remember this password, then you have to regenerate another one from your cPanel. That is, you have to click forgetting password to generate another one, which is another process. So set password for your Gmail, for your email. So after you have set the password, here I want to use admin@empowerteam.tk. Now storage space. Under this storage space, depending on the storage given to you by your hosting provider, when you check your hosting, when you come to this stage and you check your storage space, you may unlikely not see unlimited. You may be seeing only 1024. Based on the training, the space created for you concerning the email section is not up to unlimited. So under your hosting provider, when you want to purchase hosting, please check their what they are going to give you very well before you purchase the hosting. Under it, you will see the amount of email you can create, the numbers of email you can create, the numbers of space the email have, the number of database you can create, and all other things like that. So if you are purchasing an hosting and they were giving you a chance to create only 3 email, that means you only have chance to create only 3 email, like admin at your domain name, support at your domain name, info at your domain name, and that will be the 3. You can't exceed that one. So all these need to be taken into consideration before purchasing a domain, before purchasing an hosting rather. If I type that need to create different kind of emails on your website using your website URL, then you need to be very careful when purchasing the hosting and choose an higher package that will give you unlimited email creation and unlimited email space like that. So here I can use unlimited because I have unlimited, and when you don't have unlimited, you can only see 1024. It means the number of space that your email have is 1 gig. So by the time it exceeds 1 gig, message will not be able to come in. Like our phone, when our phone message storage is full and another message is to come in, it will be blinking that message is coming in, but the storage is full. It was unable to come in unless we delete. That's when others can come in. So now, if they are using unlimited, you can use unlimited. If you are not using unlimited, you want to create space for that particular email, just give it space here, 250 MB. So when it exceeds 250 MB messages, it stops, and we have to delete the one that are there before it can take another one. But I want to leave it at 0124. Then after this, here automatically create folder plus addresses. Do not automatically create folder. Disagree. And if you like it, what he's saying is that we create folder once messages are coming, just create different folder for different messages. But I don't want it. Here, send a welcome email with instructions to set up a mail client. If you want this information, you can click. If you don't want, just untick, then click on create Gmail, create email. So the email is already creating. Let's wait for it to finish. Wow. So your success, you create admin@empowerteam.tk. You know, this is another email that I now have. So you can test run it by sending message to this email. Copy it and go to your Gmail account. Go to your Gmail account and send message to this Gmail. You will see that the message will be successful. Testing email creating by Empower Team. Send. Message sent. So let's go back to our cPanel. Now, how to check when people send message to your email online. We are still going to talk about the second aspect, which is forwarding. That one is very easy to check. But in case you are not using the forwarding, you want to be checking it online. How do you check? Come to the email from your cPanel. It will show all these email that you have created. Then click on check email. So by the time you click on check email, it will open the webmail account for you. Here, just click on open. So by the time you click on open, it will log you into the inbox of your mail. It will log you to the inbox of your mail. That's where you'll be able to see all the messages that are coming in to your email. All the messages that people are sending to your email. That's where you'll be able to see it. It's still loading. Now, so let's check. This is the message that we see. Let's check the message. Open. So you will discover that this is the message I use for testing. So the message has come in already. So that is how to create a website email.